PowerPoint 2013 Incorporating Video. So people have requested me to explain to them the best way that I've found to add video clips and trim video clips into my presentations. So the first thing you need to do is be able to acquire those videos. Of course, the best ones are the ones that you make yourself, but if you wanted to get, say, one from YouTube, you're going to have to download that. You want to install the browser of Firefox. That has a great plugin to help you download YouTube videos. So if you don't have the Firefox browser, you can just download it for free from the Mozilla organization. Once you have Firefox installed, we're going to add an add-in so that when we go to browse and get a video, we can simply download it. So I'm going to open the menu here. I'm going to go to add-ons. So I'm going to search all the add-ons and I'm going to type in YouTube Downloader and search. And there are several to choose from. I prefer this one, Download YouTube Videos as an MP4. Come over to the right-hand side and go ahead and install it. So it was really that easy. Now, let's go to YouTube. You may have to close the Firefox browser and reopen it to find it, but let's just see how this goes. So when you download from YouTube, it comes as an MP4, and that is the best type of video format to include when you're working with PowerPoint, and that's whether you're on a Windows or a Mac machine. If you use a Mac, you can use MOVs, but sometimes the audio is lost later on. That's just a problem with the Microsoft Office tools. I would suggest, if you were doing this type of project, to use Keynote if you were on a Mac. But PowerPoint and Windows works very well. And we'll go and we'll find a video. I'm going to go to my own channel because I want to make sure that I don't take anyone's out of context, and that's fine. So I have a few here to choose from, and I'll just go here about how to use PowerPoint to make thumbnails. Okay, so let's say we wanted to download this video. This is my own video, so I have it locally, but I could now download this video just through this little link here. When you are downloading, you can choose what file size, and I'll choose the 720, the best resolution I can get. And I will save it, not open it to play. I actually want to save it here, and I'll click OK. At this point, if you're using this for a report type of purpose or anything that needs a cited source, it's great to grab the URL from the original video right now, so that when you do have to build your source list, your cited list, you have that information. I can tell you, going back trying to find these videos that you've harvested can be very difficult after the fact. So now that it's downloaded, we know it's in our downloads, and that's fine. I'm going to just switch back to my PowerPoint here, and I'm going to put in a new slide. So here's my new slide. I don't want to resume my slideshow, but I will make it full size for you. I'm going to change the layout to a blank slide, and then I will insert a video. Now, it says you can do online videos, but that's very complicated. You have to have special scripting behind the scenes, so it's always best practice to download and have a local copy of that video. So go ahead and open that. It's going to be in downloads, and I'm going to choose that compelling thumbnail video and choose insert. Now, the nice thing is, once you get this in here, you may not want to play the whole thing. And PowerPoint has some great video editing tools. They're a light version. You're not going to have Windows Movie Maker or iMovie type of proficiencies, but I can crop this video just like I would an image if I wanted to get rid of that black to the right and left here. I can resize it if I wanted to. So one of the things that we can do is trim this. If I don't want to show the whole video, I can go to playback, I can choose trim video and use these very simple drag and drop kind of bars to just choose the amount of the video that I want to have. Okay. So you can see green is where it'll start and red is where it will end. I can also have this fade in and fade out as far as volume if I want, and do some other things as far as playing automatically or looping. All sorts of the controls that are up there, I would say go ahead and explore with them. When I have what I want, I can click OK. Right. So the other thing that you can do is add a poster frame, which means so you don't want this weird picture showing. You can play the video to the portion that you want. The exact thing. Maybe we like this picture better. And I can come up to format and add that as my poster frame and say it's the current frame, or I can replace it with my own picture. So those are the main tips about editing video when it comes to PowerPoint. So I hope this was a helpful little walkthrough on how to harvest videos using the Firefox add-in, and then how to edit those videos once they get into PowerPoint. Thanks a lot for watching.